All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Vechain update. It's been a while, but yeah, finally back. We're just going to do this quick update today. I've got some discounts at the moment, so as you saw at the beginning of the video, if you want to take action, it's all pinned in the comment section below. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment. And now let's get on with this video and keep it nice and short. So the weekly is being held up by this 2-cent psychological level. As you can see, it's slightly above, but let's just go ahead and say it's the 2-cent psychological level. I can bump it down to, and then yeah, there you go. So yeah, it's the 2-cent psychological level being held on the weekly time frame. It will give us chances of bouncing back up, but ignoring the 2-cent psychological level, looking at the moving averages themselves, when we are above the 20, we went to head up. We can see that we've fallen below on 2 occasions now, forming somewhat of a double top on the weekly time frame. When we scale down, could be a head and shoulders pattern. We'll look at that very soon. But yeah, as you're under the 20, this is now downtrend continuation. We can see when we were under this purple one, what was going on, kept on going lower and lower and lower. And so when we get above the 20, this acts as your second layer of defense, the 55. We couldn't even reach it, guys, on the weekly time frame, and we started to come back down. So on 2 occasions, failing to even meet the true resistance of this trend and falling back under this in the short term, suggesting now on the weekly time frame we should continue with this downtrend, but realizing that we've got this 2-cent exactly psychological level over here. Now heading over to the daily time frame, we can see that we're holding that key level of support right there. I'm going to use some fibs for you guys. So there we go. We are holding this 618 at the moment. We've got some support over here as well, so I can drag this line down. So it's this area of support that we're holding between 2 cent and 1.95 cents. So I'm going to drag that down by one level. So there you go. Look at the levels over here. 2 cent exactly 1950. And that is our support for the moment. On the loss of this, we're creating the reversal wave, where we'll be looking at 1.8 to 1.5 cent. That's where we'll be trying to retrace to. As we're still currently holding this, as I showed you on the weekly time frame, it's going to give us chances of bounces, but we can't forget what the weekly moving averages are saying. On the daily time frame, it is the same situation where we are beneath both, with a bearish cross, the 200 EMA signaling what trend we're in, which is down, and then we've got these shorter term ones which had a bearish cross signaling down. And so we've returned back to where we need to. We've got a big wick rejection over here, so I wouldn't be surprised if we go ahead and fill that in either today or over the next few days. If we were to start to climb back up, as we can see, that's what happened the last 2 times we came into this region. We went up ahead and tested that 200 EMA again. So I would, of course, like to break the 20 and the 55. You can see that you actually hit the 200 over here without breaking through. But yeah, I would like to see us breaking through the 0.5 Fibonacci, 2, 2, 3, 4. On the break of that, yeah, I'm going to believe that we are coming back up to the 200, which is in line with the 382 fib at 2442. Now we'll go over to the 4-hour time frame. We're underneath all these moving averages, so everything is suggesting that we do continue lower. The only thing that's stopping that from happening is this key area of support. So for the moment, guys, I must say that while everything is looking bearish for Vechain on the higher time frames and all, as long as we're maintaining this 2 cent the area, because it is a little bit lower than 2 cent, we have chances of bouncing back up. So in the title, in the thumbnail, it might say something like, as long as Vechain is above this level, it's bullish, or huge opportunity while we're above this level. Because if it were to hold long term going down the line, if this were to hold, this will be our lowest price point technically if we stop and reverse and head higher. So that's why it's a great opportunity until it's not. So it won't be a great opportunity if we were to lose it long term. If we're talking about, you know, buying Vechain today to hold for 2-3 years, then yeah, it really doesn't matter if you bought up here even, or down here or there. That doesn't matter. But for those intraday, or for those people that just want to know what's going on daily, then yeah, here is everything. Watch it back if you need to. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment and take action, whether that's to join my course and mentorship, which is currently discounted over the next week. All the links you need are pinned in the comment section or the description down below. But I've also got a group chat, guys. One of the cryptos that I shared is up 3x in the last 3 days. If you want to join, you know what to do. All the links you need are in the pinned comment section below. Cheers.